What a time. What a place. Sometimes it could be hard to find the words to speak on, but you find yourself in a dark place, looking for the light. You know, sometime in sometime in where we are. I'm not gonna say history. His story. Because at the end of the day, if you're going by what's civilized, then you're going by his story, her story. You're not going by the story, or even your own story. That's important. It's important to be your own in this world. Don't follow, but always lead yourself. Follow when necessary, but always lead yourself. And I'm up here in the mountains. Place high above the normal playing field. High up in these mountains, your ears start popping. You instantly feel that step up on the landmass. Being isolated from civilized, but it's still civilized. Even up here, I'm at this cabin. Thing is, this is a business. This is someone else's business. They sell shelter, temporary shelter for you to vacate. But this is not every day. I would love for this to just be normal. This would be the normal. You have your mountains, you have your lakes, you have your rivers, you have your farmland. And you don't have to worry about trespassing. No, it's family. It's community. It's education. Or it's some type of schooling, I should say. It's nourishment for the human brain, for the human process. And those things always need attention. Those things should be at the forefront of every community, any town, any city, any collection of people who are working together to live, to manage around each other. I often wonder about where I'm going with this channel. A kind word is not enough. A war room is not enough. Comics. I'm into comics, which you will see soon. It's not enough. I feel like this is special. The little steps that I'm taking, they're going to be big. They're going to come out as large results. Small steps forward for big. Small steps forward for big results later. The biggest of results. Bigger results later. Down the line, you'll start to see. I came out here to get a sense of self. For so long, I thought about just going somewhere, whether for one night or for a week, maybe even for a couple of months. I would love that. Just go somewhere isolated, be in nature. Don't regardless of the season. Just go somewhere and appreciate life, the reprocess of life, the the managing of life, and how it takes care of itself. You know, Great Spirit works in mysterious ways. The Great Spirit works. We have to be cognizant of that. You have to be cognizant not only where you came from, but where you're going, where you are. You should always start with where I am. Where am I? What am I doing right now? What am I doing to move forward? All these things have very good answers that need to be acknowledged.